In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Passkey on Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step right inside your Shopify admin, so you can quickly secure access to your online store while you're still setting things up or making changes. By the end, your storefront will be protected and only people with the Passkey will be able to view it. First, go ahead and open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store's admin. This is the main control panel where you manage products, orders, customers, and of course, your online store settings. Make sure you're on the correct store if you manage more than one, and that you have the right permissions to update the online store preferences. Once you're in the admin, look over to the left-hand side menu and click on Online Store. This section controls everything related to your storefront, including themes, pages, and how your store appears to visitors. Clicking Online Store will open up a sub-menu with several options underneath it. From that submenu, choose Preferences. This is where Shopify keeps a lot of important configuration options for your storefront, such as SEO settings, tracking, and in our case, password protection. Give the page a second to load, and then scroll down until you find the section labeled Password Protection. Here, you'll see a toggle next to the Password Protection option. Click on this toggle to turn it on. When it's enabled, your online store will no longer be publicly visible to everyone. Instead, visitors will be greeted with a password page and will need the passkey you set to gain it through. Take a moment to review any additional fields that appear, such as a message for visitors so you can explain briefly why the store is protected or when it will be available. After you've turned on password protection and adjusted any text you want to show on the password page, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom right of the page, and click it. This is important. If you navigate away without saving, your password protection will not be applied. Once it's saved, go back to Online Store in the left-hand menu. Click it to view your storefront as a visitor would. Now, you should see that your store is password protected. A password page will appear, confirming that the protection is active and that a passkey is required to enter. That's all there is to it.